me cocky right over Canada. Pretty postcards, my little da watch. Say me love you, but you don't wanna say hello. You want to ride, the little shots just fall. May not be a superman, not in a place now. I see you like that. Feel like girl, trying to a girl of life. And if you don't want to say, yeah, pussy tight. You boom boom, you're a sodomite. You have to titty and a kitty like every other titty and a kitty like every other girl. You're a girl. Nothing wrong, you know you get that. You boom boom, you're a sodomite. You have to titty and a kitty like every other. Family cocky right over Canada. Pretty postcards, my little da watch. Say they love you like a mother of a child, like a child.
Today we are gonna do Kartel little shorts. Kartel, if you need one girl to dance for you for the video, link me. Okay, anywhere, anytime, me down. Okay, link me. Me ready, up and ready. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the lyrics of the song. We're gonna review the song and all these things. So stay tuned if you want to hear my review of Kartel's little shorts. If you see me there sweat, it's because in here is hot as hell. They cook dinner and they dance and all these things. So I say, why not do a review? So the intro, Kartel said, you never know, you're my hero. You're the girl I want to be with. And I can fly higher than an eagle. You're the wind beneath my wings. Alright? And then he go into the chorus and say, you have two liquor titty and a kitty like every other girl. But nothing about you no regular. Jump on me cocky. Go to Canada. Pretty postcards somebody would have watch. Me say me love you like how a mother love a child, like a child love a toy. And then he said Barbie doll. And then he continue and say, and anywhere you go, man have to say hello. Your body broad, your liquor shots just a ball. Okay? And in verse 1 he said, me want to be a superhero, not in a brief, half in a pants. And then he peel and girl them a bubble on the ends. Ruggers full of bus. Ruggers full of bus, about 30 of them. Tell the video man say your pussy tight. Every tight hole girl arrive. Tell the video man say your pussy tight. And that's verse 1. No, and then he say, lock the charts like a few choice. Grab up your pum pum. Cause you are a sodomite. So all the sodomite people them need to run away. And then he go in a chorus again and sing. You have two little titty. You have two little titty and a kitty like every girl, but nothing about you in a regular. Jump on me cocky, go to Canada. Post cause somebody go to watch. Me say me love you like how mother love a child love a toy, Barbie doll. Anyway you go man, I feel say hello, your body broad, your little shots just a ball. And then he go in a verse 2 and say, me want you for everything. If you are twin, the fuck is not a sin. So God know. Cock burn pen girl them you have to sing. Cock burn pen girl them you have to sing. Tra la 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 la. You know lick out body. Kartel not easy, you know. Let me go over this verse 2 again. Me want you to be everything. If you are twin, the fuck is not a sin. So the man they say, you want a threesome? Maybe, maybe not. And he say, cock burn pen them girl them fi sing, tra la 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 la, you know, lick out body. Every tight hole girl arrive. Tell the video man say your pussy tight. Lock the charts like few choice. Grab up your pum pum. You're no sodomite. And then he go into the chorus and sing the chorus again. And the chorus goes, you have two little titty and a kitty like every other girl. about something about you know regular. Jump on the cocky go to Canada. Pretty post cause somebody good at a watch. Me say me love you like how a mother love a child like love a child like a child love a toy, baby doll, and anywhere you go man have to say hello, your body broad, your liquor shots, that's a ball. And he sing the chorus 2 times at the end. And honestly, Kartel dropped 3 songs this weekend. 3 songs, and this one is my favorite song. Kartel, listen, he is listening to us. Cause the woman said them want wind up song, them want good song, them want woman song, them can't bother with this song and the beef thing and the war thing. And Kartel, they listen to us, okay? Kartel have been constantly putting out bangers. Like whole weekend he put out 3 songs, and like I said before, this one is my favorite, so that's why I'm doing a review on it. Me love this song, okay? Love the song. Full 100. Kartel, me can't see this song right now. A New Year's night I want party, and the whole of the girl them just them go on bad in the dance, and the selector if you get PR 3, 4, 5 grand. If you rewind the song, bad girl pull up the song, hot girl pull up the song, and the song is a good song. I hope you do a really nice sick video for it, even though Kartel is always on point as far as his videos is concerned, because I feel like this is gonna be like a Christmas New Year banger for the girl them, because I actually really love this song. Like I said before, if you need somebody to do the dancing in this song, hit me up, hit me. All details will be in the description box. The song they go hard, okay? And I'll link the song in the description box also, so you guys can go check it out. This one right here is a banger, like a real deal Holyfield banger. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl Brains and the Beat here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuce.